All right, so today we're gonna be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Soda by DJ Scheme, Ski Mask, and Corday. And there's another rapper on there, but I don't know him. But you guys should definitely go listen to this song. It's on Ski Mask's brand new album, Family. Amazing album, so fired. Go listen to the song, you won't regret it. And yeah, let's take a look at these brand new pair of shoes. So today we are gonna be taking a look at the Yeezy 350 V2 Breds, and these just came out like a week or two ago. And I was so hyped when I got these. I was able to get one pair, my sister was able to get another two, and this has to be the second, in my opinion, best Yeezy 350 colorway of all time, the first being the zebra. And I remember these used to go for around $1,200. I was actually going to buy a pair of these last year for around $600, and it was actually going to be a used pair. So I'm actually really happy that these, came out again. One of the best 350 colorways of all time. Here, let me spin it around for you guys. In case you guys did not know, sizing, go up half a size in all Yeezys. Here you can see I got a 9.5. My true to size is a 9, so that's why I got a 9.5. They do fit a little bit narrow, but if you do like that, I guess, snug fit, you should be fine going true to size. But, if you like room and like having your feet being able to breathe, go up half a size. And here, let me actually take the shoe and show you guys by itself. Genuinely just one of the best Yeezy 350s of all time. These actually were hard to get to. I woke up at 7 a.m. to try and get these and could not get them at all. My sister hit on, I believe, Finish Line or Champs, and she did not hit again until the Yeezy raffle, and that's where I got mine as well. And in case you guys are wondering, there really is no difference between this pair and the 2017 pair. The only difference is this thing right here. This is rope before it used to be plastic. So that's really the only difference other than the materials. This pair is a little bit more stretchy than the 2017 pair. Other than that, it's literally just a copy and paste, and I'm so happy, man. I've wanted these for so long, and it feels nice to finally have these in the collection, and I can't wait to wear these. I don't know when I'm going to, but I definitely have to wear these, man. Let me spin them around one more time. And yeah, let me know if you guys were able to pick them up. They do go for around $350 to $400 on Go and StockX, depending on your size. And retail for me is $240. That's including tax and shipping. Obviously, that's going to change, depending on where you live. And yeah, let's actually take a look at these on feet. But before we do that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.